Assalamu alaikum, good morning dear students. Hope all of you are fine and doing well. As you know, yesterday we have started the language work of the play The Tempest Part 1. We have done question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. Today we are discussing about the question number 4 of the language work. Find from the lesson words which mean the following. Here is the meaning given. We have to find the one word. First is without companions. Without companions, it is the meaning of lonely. Second is nothing more than only. Its one word is mere. Cause to rise or appear. Its one word is raise. Here we have another. Set free. Its one word is release. The next is try hard, fight. Its one word is struggle. Another one is in the middle of. It is the phrase in the heart of. Be destroyed. It is here be destroyed or lose life. Its one word is perish. Think that one owns. Its one word is possessions. During that time, it means the meanwhile. Be bold or brave enough. Its one word is brave or dare. Spoiled or broken, its one word is damaged. Another is cause to remember, its one word is remind. The last one is that is to say the same as, its one word is just as. Now we have another question. Make nouns of the following adjectives and verbs. We have formed nouns. Here we write on one side adjectives and verbs, and on the other side it's noun form. Loyal, loyalty. Favor, favorite. Perform, performance. Struggle, struggle. Magical, magic or magician. Plot, plot. Okay ji. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.